We have everything?
Power supply. Except the graphics card.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's been a long time. I've shown my face.
What's up, guys? I'm Hugh.
Alright, this is gonna be a fun video today. It's gonna be my first time building a PC. We don't have a GPU yet. Like, the prices are still too high. We're gonna wait until like 2 weeks later, and then we're gonna show you that, of course, later in the video. Where's the CPU? Oh. AMD Ryzen 5600X. So we have this AIO water cooling Liquid Max 3 White version. I use this B550 mortar with Wi-Fi built in, and then 1TB of M.2 NVMe SSD. Power supply 750 watts, classic gold. Oh wait! Also, we need a screwdriver and then some. Oh, we have a RAM here. We have RAM here. Okay. Flash press RGB, 32 gigabytes, 3200 megahertz, and then
Precision screws.
it's gonna be this hard.
Gotta make it satisfying.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 3.7 gigahertz, 6-core, dual-thread processors. Oh, this is the fan right here. Okay, now we can't touch this. It's very dangerous.
Don't
touch
from
like
all the things we've learned.
Don't touch the pins right there.
Don't touch the gold.
You see the pins right there.
Alright, so we'll put this to the side. I'm so nervous.
Ryzen 5000 desktop ready. Oh,
Damn.
not bad.
Alright, we'll check if there's anything else.
The lighting.
Some Wi-Fi antennas, and I don't know what that is.
This is the SATA cables.
These are the instructions.
Yeah.
This is a book that's definitely not gonna.
What the hey? Why is it so thick? Yo, are you serious? Oh, sticker.
There's a thank you letter.
This is tough. It's gonna take a whole night.
Nah,
No?
it's not gonna take that.
We got the CPU. He's done doing it.
Oh,
Yeah, that's right.
touch just the side.
Where's the triangle again?
Triangle's right here. Yeah.
Oh.
You know where the triangle is?
Yeah. Oh, that was satisfying.
Mm-hmm. And then put it back. Push it.
Nice. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, go outward.
Okay, good for that. Nice and perfect.
Nice. Damn.
Alright,
These look. Yo, how much was the RAM?
pretty expensive, man.
RAM. It feels expensive.
Woo!
God damn.
Look at this.
Yo, don't do that.
How do I do it? I think wrong.
Oh, I'm scared.
Why? Oh, okay. It's very tight.
I know. And tap it with a hammer.
Huh? Tap it with a hammer?
Yeah.
Try it again.
Oh! Oh my god. Dude.
Leave it. Oh, that's right. So we got this mini tiny one here. Alright, we got the NVMe on. Why does it look curved? Does it look curved?
It does kind of look good.
Oh, wait. Take it off. Take this off.
What?
Wait.
It was curving?
Yeah. We have to take this out.
How?
Just. Yeah. There we go. It's like, whoa. Oh my god.
It's so straight.
Alright, guys, we almost messed it up.
Real.
Alright, so we are good with the motherboard.
Looking out.
No, you guys just open it.
Yeah.
the case. Yo, you got white?
Yeah.
Dude, white is nice.
So yeah, put in the main board. To fit the AIO in there. Take it out.
The manual.
Nothing.
Oh, damn.
Put that there.
These are some fans. They gave you $10, bro. How do you feel?
I don't know. Why did they add that? Alright.
Okay, so you think we should connect the thing first?
Yeah, just put it in and then all the cables go. Oh, yo.
I'll try to put the false down. What's this?
Oh, come on.
They already placed it in.
No, look. We undo this and then just put it in.
I think. Just insert the position screw. Place a square spacer on the central hole of the back.
And then place it on. No, place this on there. You're gonna do like,
Oh no, here.
like you should do like a commentary over the video.
Just put them in all one hole. Except the last one.
Alright, we got all the lines, cables through the holes. No.
We need to put the normal paste and then screw in, and then we're good. Hot though.
That's good.
Alright, I'll just
Alright, got the PSU power supply full modular. I guess we're a little bit done with the cables. The fans are added. I hope so. Are you kidding me? Holy, oh my god, there's gonna be so much cables. It's the power supply. Fully modular. Here you see all the ports there. Where did this come from? Oh, wait. Yo, the LED switch disappeared. Where did it go? Just all in here. So it doesn't get in the way.